So now I'm going to show you how to resize and print multiple images on one page using a word processing program. I'm using Microsoft Word on a PC. This will work similarly with different word processing programs and on a Mac. You're basically going to make a blank document, and then you're going to look for an insert command. In this case, it's on the menu bar. So I'm going to insert a picture, and it gives you the choice to insert from stock images, online pictures, or this device, which is your computer. Since you've already downloaded these digital stamps onto your computer, they'll probably be in your downloads folder, unless you put them someplace else. So you'll navigate to where you saved your files. In my case, they're in my downloads because I just downloaded this morning. If you're on a PC, the download folder, the kind of quick access to your download folder is at the very top, and that's where mine is. I'm going to use one of Gary Robertson's images that I downloaded this morning. So I'm going to click on that, and the image, it shows up at the size that we give it to you. You can click on and drag corners of your image to make it bigger or smaller. I can make this card size. I can shrink it really tiny if you want little teeny images, or anywhere in between. So I'm going to make a decent size one to put on the front of a card. Once I've gotten the size I want, I can make more of them on the sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Home button, and that's where the copy and paste commands are in Microsoft Word. I'm going to hit copy, and then once I've done that, I can paste it. And paste it right next to the other one. I'm going to add some spaces with my space bar, just so I have some room to cut around it. And if you add too many spaces, it makes it go down to the next line. So I want them both on the same line, and I'm going to actually hit enter and add some spaces between them and paste another couple. So I'll paste again, and then give it some spaces and paste again. And you can move them around as you want to by just using the space bar. That's basically how I'm going to put 4 on a page. And now I can print that out and save my cardstock and have 4 amazing images to color.